Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Gordie Howe International Bridge with ChatGPT. You want to make
I have
another? Go ahead.
absolutely. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a massive project
hmm
connecting Detroit, Michigan to Windsor, Ontario.
Yes, it is. All right.
The
Today,
bridge,
we're going to talk about a couple of things, and we have a couple of questions to ask you from the comments in the videos. But first, do you have a good bridge joke you can tell us?
sure. How about this? Why did the bridge get promoted?
Uh,
Because it always knew how to span the gap.
do you have another joke that might be funny?
Of course. What do you call a bridge that's always complaining? A grumble bridge.
All right, let's move on. So the stay cable process, what is the process of that on the Gordie Howe International Bridge?
The stay cable process involves attaching large steel cables to the bridge's towers and anchoring them to the deck. These cables help support the weight of the deck and distribute the load evenly. It's a crucial step in building a strong, stable structure.
What also, another question was, what is the total labor cost for the bridge project, not including the materials and everything, just the labor costs alone?
The total labor costs aren't publicly detailed separately. However, the overall project cost is around 6.4 billion Canadian dollars, or about 4.7 billion US dollars, which includes labor, materials, and other expenses.
Can you give us an estimate on the labor cost?
Based on similar large infrastructure projects, labor typically accounts for about 30 to 40% of the total cost. So, for a $4.7 billion project, the labor cost could be roughly between 1.4 and 1.9 billion dollars. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate.
What else can you tell us what's going on with the bridge this week? Any current news?
Currently, the Gordie Howe International Bridge is on track to open in the fall. Construction is expected to wrap up in September, and officials are focusing on installing signage, electrical systems,
All right.
drainage.
Okay, well, do you have any new updates for today for March 15th, 2025?
Today's update mentions that the bridge is still on track to open this fall, with
hmm
features and reduced wait times at the border. Crews are focusing on finalizing electrical systems, signage, and safety features. The project is progressing smoothly, and officials are optimistic about meeting the opening deadline.
All right, well, what else? Let's see if you can tell us some facts now. Since I'm just the guy with the drone, and I don't want to pretend I'm like some bridge engineering expert. So help me narrate some facts for the bridge.
Sure, the Gordie Howe International Bridge will be about 1.5 miles long, with the main span stretching 0.53 miles over the Detroit River. It will have 6 lanes for vehicles and a multi-use path for pedestrians and cyclists. The towers will rise about 722 feet, making them the tallest structures in the region. The bridge is designed to handle heavy traffic and improve cross-border trade.
All right, do you want to add anything else on there before we wrap up the video?
Absolutely. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a testament to the strong partnership between the US and Canada. It's expected to boost the local economy, create jobs, and make travel between Detroit and Windsor more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.
All right, sounds good.
Great! Let me know if you need anything else. Good luck with your video.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Unless you have maybe another bridge joke, or maybe, actually, let me ask you, what do you call an alligator wearing a vest?
What?
An investigator.
That's a good one. An investigator. Perfect for a bit of humor in your videos.
All right, well, I think it's better than your jokes. So thank you for narrating for us, ChatGPT.
You're welcome. I'm always here to help. Good luck with your video and have fun filming.
All right, have a great day, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for over 3.5 million views on the channel, which is unbelievable. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day.
That's amazing. Congratulations on 3.5 million views, Michael. Keep up the great work and have a fantastic day.